Ribavirin Complete Drug Monograph. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Ribavirin. Drug class, synthetic nucleoside analog antiviral. Pharmacologic class, guanosine analog, broad spectrum antiviral. Therapeutic class, antiviral agent. Brand names, oral, Copagus, Ribitol, Ribasphere, inhalation, Virazole. Drug forms, oral tablets, 200 milligrams, oral capsules, oral solution, inhalation solution, powder for aerosol, 6 gram 100 milliliters for RSV therapy. Number 2. Definition: Ribavirin is a synthetic purine nucleoside analog with activity against many RNA and DNA viruses. It is primarily used as adjunct therapy in chronic hepatitis C virus (HCV) infection and as an aerosolized treatment for severe respiratory syncytial virus (RSV) infection in infants and children. 3. Mechanism of action. Ribavirin resembles guanosine nucleoside. After cellular uptake, it is phosphorylated into ribavirin monophosphate, diphosphate, and triphosphate. Multiple antiviral mechanisms. 1. Inhibits inosine monophosphate dehydrogenase, IMPDH, decreases GTP synthesis, limits viral RNA production. 2. Inhibits viral RNA-dependent RNA polymerase, blocks viral replication. 3. Causes lethal mutagenesis, introduces errors in viral genome, non-functional viruses. 4. Interferes with viral mRNA capping, prevents translation. Result: inhibits viral replication and protein synthesis. Note: Ribavirin alone is not effective for HCV, must be combined with interferon or direct-acting antivirals, DAAs. Number 4. Uses FDA-approved chronic hepatitis C, oral and combination therapy. Severe RSV, lower respiratory tract infections in hospitalized infants, young children, aerosolized. Off-label investigational, viral hemorrhagic fevers, e.g. Lassa fever, Crimean Congo hemorrhagic fever, hantavirus infection, some rare viral infections in immunocompromised patients. Now 5 indications. Chronic HCV infection, always combined with peg interferon alpha or DAAs. Severe RSV infection, infants and children requiring hospitalization and oxygen therapy. Number 6. Contraindications: absolute, pregnancy, category X, teratogenic and embryocidal. Male partners of pregnant women, sperm exposure risk. Autoimmune hepatitis, hemoglobinopathies, e.g. thalassemia major, sickle cell anemia, severe renal impairment, CRCL 50 milliliters per min, hypersensitivity to ribavirin. Relative use with caution, significant cardiac disease due to anemia risk. Advanced liver disease, e.g. decompensated cirrhosis. Older patients with multiple comorbidities. Number 7. Precautions before taking ribavirin. Pregnancy testing mandatory before, during, and after therapy. Contraception, at least 2 reliable forms of birth control during treatment and for 6 months after therapy, for both sexes. Blood monitoring, CBC with differential, risk of hemolytic anemia. Liver function tests, renal function, drug excreted via kidneys. Cardiac monitoring, in patients with heart disease. Mental health screening, ribavirin with interferon may cause depression or suicidal thoughts. Avoid in breastfeeding, drug excreted in breast milk. 8. How to use. Oral. Take with food to increase absorption and reduce GI upset. Swallow whole with water. Do not crush or chew. Inhalation. Administered via a small particle aerosol generator. Given in a hospital setting under strict precautions. Risk of drug exposure to staff. Now 9. Dosing information. For hepatitis C oral adults, weight-based dosing, when combined with interferon DAs, 75 kilograms 1,000 milligrams per day, divided 2 doses, to 75 kilograms 1,200 milligrams a day, divided 2 doses. Duration, 24 to 48 weeks, depending on viral genotype and combination regimen. For RSV, inhalation, children, 20 milligrams per milliliter solution via aerosol generator, delivered at 12 to 18 hours a day for 3 to 7 days. 10. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Oral, take as soon as remembered unless it's close to the next dose. Do not double doses. Overdose may cause worsening anemia, extreme fatigue, dyspnea, or confusion. Requires supportive care, no specific antidote. Number 11. Stop or avoid taking. If pregnancy occurs during therapy. If severe anemia develops, HGB 10 Grelothyl, or rapid drop. If hypersensitivity reaction occurs, rash, angioedema, difficulty breathing. If severe cardiac symptoms appear, chest pain, arrhythmia, MI. Do not stop without medical advice, may compromise antiviral treatment success. Number 12. Side effects. Common: fatigue, headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, anorexia, weight loss, insomnia, irritability, depression, rash, pruritus, alopecia, Cough, dyspnea, serious, hemolytic anemia, dose-limiting toxicity, can worsen heart disease, suicidal ideation, severe depression, esping with interferon, severe hypersensitivity reactions, teratogenicity, birth defects, fetal death, worsening of pre-existing cardiac disease, rare, pancreatitis, retinopathy, severe neutropenia. Number 13, vital information, black box warning, teratogenic and embryocidal, contraindicated in pregnant women and male partners of pregnant women. Requires 2 reliable forms of contraception during therapy and for 6 months after discontinuation. Causes hemolytic anemia, which may worsen cardiac disease, risk of fatal and non-fatal myocardial infarction. Should not be used as monotherapy for HCV. Now 14, drug interactions, diadenosine, contraindicated, risk of fatal hepatic failure, pancreatitis, lactic acidosis. Azathioprine, contraindicated, life-threatening pancytopenia. Zidovudine, AZT, increases risk of anemia. Other antiretrovirals, e.g. abacavir, stavudine, may worsen anemia or hepatotoxicity. Myelosuppressive drugs, additive bone marrow suppression. Alcohol worsens liver damage. Thank you. Have a nice day.